What if I told you that the future of humanity lies among the stars? With SpaceX at the forefront, we are not just on the brink of interstellar exploration, we are about to take a giant leap that will redefine our very existence. Welcome to the vision that promises to transform our understanding of life, technology, and our place in the universe. As we delve into the intricacies of what's next for SpaceX, you'll discover innovations, missions, and ideas that could very well make us a multi-planetary species. So, buckle up as we explore the intricate weave of ambition and technology, and why you should stick around for what comes next. As we leap straight into the heart of it, let's start by understanding the current trajectory SpaceX is on. Founded by Elon Musk in 2002, this company began its journey with a vision to make space travel affordable and accessible. Now, mere decades later, SpaceX has successfully revolutionized aerospace with innovations like reusable rockets and the Crew Dragon spacecraft. Did you know Falcon 9's reusability has significantly reduced the cost of sending payloads to orbit, down to about 1/10 of previous costs? Incredible, right? Now imagine how this paradigm shift paves the way for future explorations. One might wonder, what does it mean for humanity when access to space becomes not just a dream but a reality? The immediate answer is profound. The advancements made by SpaceX are poised to spark an era of innovation not just in aerospace, but in renewable energy, telecommunications, and more. What comes next, you might ask? Let's just say the horizon is not just a place, it's a stage for our collective aspirations. Reserve your disbelief as we discuss the next major player on SpaceX's agenda, Mars. Yes, the red planet. Elon Musk has repeatedly stated that he wants to make humanity a multi-planetary species. But how feasible is this dream? Recent developments surrounding the Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft designed to carry humans to Mars, indicate we are closer than ever. Picture this: habitats on Mars, thriving colonies, and the possibility of terraforming. You might be wondering, is that even possible? Recent research suggests that creating a livable atmosphere could be achieved through advanced technologies that SpaceX may help pioneer. But we're getting ahead of ourselves. Let's keep your curiosity piqued. Consider this: SpaceX's ambitious plan does not stop at Mars. What about the Moon? Under the Artemis program, NASA plans to return humans to lunar soil by 2024, employing SpaceX's Starship for its lunar missions. Why? Because the Moon serves as an invaluable stepping stone. This return is not just about footprints in the dust, it signals the establishment of a sustainable presence. Imagine lunar bases serving as launch points for deeper space missions. Speaking of deeper space, here's a twist: the Artemis program isn't just about exploring the Moon. Gaining knowledge through lunar missions will redefine our approach to Martian exploration. But there's more to SpaceX's strategy than meets the eye. You may not have heard of its plans in satellite technology and global internet connectivity. Enter Starlink, a constellation of thousands of satellites designed to provide high-speed internet access worldwide. What could that mean? With internet access in the farthest corners of the globe, and even on Mars, humanity could thrive wherever it chooses to venture. Can you grasp the implications of a truly interconnected world? Let's transition back to interplanetary aspirations. SpaceX's ambitions to establish a human settlement on Mars are not merely science fiction. It's conceivable that, within the next few decades, space tourism could become a reality. Yes, you heard that correctly. The allure of sending civilians to see the wonders of Mars will not only pivot our understanding of space but revolutionize industries back on Earth. Every leap in technology for space travel translates into advancements on Earth, from materials science to healthcare. You might be asking, how does SpaceX plan to make this funding a reality? buckle up for the business model twist. SpaceX has been clever in its strategies, seeking governmental contracts while also inviting private partnerships. With increasing public interest in space travel, alongside potential profits from tourism, the equation starts to make perfect sense. What if we manage to create a sustainable economic model based around interplanetary tourism? While we dream of Martian colonies, the hard truths about sustaining life in space remain pivotal. Most people are unaware of the challenges ahead. This brings us back to the question, how will humans live on Mars? Elon Musk has spoken about utilizing the resources on Mars itself to create habitats, food, and consumables. But the technology for this will require creativity and innovation on a scale we have yet to see. Consider this: advanced hydroponics, utilizing Martian regolith for construction, and energy derived from solar power. Each of these innovations beckons exploration and experimentation. And what happens if we succeed? The implications ripple beyond space, making us rethink sustainable living back on Earth. You may still be pondering whether now is the right time to invest in these ideas. Ask yourself, what does history teach us about the exploratory spirit? Every significant leap, be it the first flight across the Atlantic or the journey to the moon, has driven global progress. So why should our aspirations for Mars be any different? As our journey unfolds, let's talk about the technological race. You might have seen the headlines, the new space race is upon us. Countries like China and India are making strides in their own space programs. With SpaceX holding a significant advantage in innovation and cost, the keys to interplanetary ambition could belong to the first commercially successful operator. Will SpaceX maintain its leading edge, or will competition undermine its efforts? This question echoes throughout the aerospace industry as countries and private entities vie for dominance in space. Speaking of competition, let's pivot to the intricacies of partnerships. SpaceX is not going it alone. Collaborations with governments, space agencies, and private enterprises foster a community of innovation while sharing risks. Have you ever considered how this collaborative spirit can facilitate our quest to explore beyond Earth? Many scientists believe solving today's Earth-centric challenges, like climate change and resource management, could effectively prepare society for interplanetary existence. Here's something you might not expect: the interconnectedness of SpaceX's projects has given birth to unforeseen opportunities. From innovative propulsion systems to habitats created using 3D printing, every leap in tech will resonate in our lives and industries well beyond space travel. Need an example? Industries driven by aerospace technologies are often at the forefront of advancements in sectors such as medicine, telecommunications, and robotics. And let's not forget the cultural impact. Each successful launch, every stride toward Mars inspires not just the next generation of astronauts, but dreamers, innovators, and thinkers everywhere. As you ponder the implications, it's vital to remember, our quests have always been motivated by a desire to understand the unknown. With the anticipation building, the question remains, is humanity ready to embrace its destiny among the stars? Every high-profile launch reignites the dream, and as budding scientists and engineers step onto the stage, they carry that torch forward. We need to consider what it means to live on Mars, a dual life, straddling our here and now while weaving our future in the expanse of the cosmos. But let's turn back to Earth for just a moment. A question lingers: what roles will emerging technologies play in preparing us for this leap? Autonomous spacecraft technology, AI and navigation, state-of-the-art life support systems, each element represents a massive leap forward. Imagine how swiftly such technologies could change our lives on Earth. And here's another hook for your curiosity: there's something brewing behind the scenes that will redefine our experience of outer space. Picture this: suborbital flights that enable high-speed international travel. Would you opt for a flight to a city thousands of miles away in mere minutes? Yes, that's on the horizon thanks to the advancements made by companies like SpaceX. As we near the conclusion of our journey, a profound thought captivates the mind. We are on the brink of something magnificent. The next giant leap isn't merely about rockets and Mars, it's about humanity's insatiable thirst for exploration. Consider this enigma: could our endeavors in space lead to the salvation of Earth? The quest for knowledge could just be the key to solving our pressing challenges. Imagine our technologies adapted for sustainable energy, agriculture, and resource management, all stemming from the challenges posed in space exploration. The very thoughts of colonizing Mars won't just foster humanity's survival in the cosmos, they could innovate solutions waiting to be uncovered back on our beleaguered planet. Wrapping up here, the narrative we've built leads to one striking realization: SpaceX is more than a company, it's the embodiment of a collective hope, a drive toward survival and progress that knows no bounds. As you reflect on the journey we have taken together, consider where you fit in this grand tapestry of exploration. Will you join us in this quest to redefine our existence? What comes next will leave you breathless as we watch our shared destinies unfold in the embrace of the cosmos. Keep dreaming, keep exploring, and remember, the stars are not the limit, they are merely the starting point of your journey. What's next for SpaceX? The possibilities are as limitless as the universe itself. Together, we can make this leap. The question isn't when we will leave Earth, but how far we can go together.